Hi everyone, welcome to Krakow Weekly Updates. First up, we have to talk about the All India Open Mock from Krakow. So to register, you can actually go to the link in the description below, which is krakow.in/openmock. Book your slots and take the test. So the test is scheduled from 25th to 27th and the last day is today, which is 24th, to book your slot. Next up, CMAT response sheet is out. You can actually calculate your score using Krakow CMAT score calculator. Just take the link from CMAT website, paste it on Krakow CMAT score calculator and find your score. You can actually get sectional wise score and also overall score and compare your data based on the list that we have provided, which is different ranks at which different scores are provided. In other news, IIM Trichy had released its waitlist on 28th. So if you are someone who is waiting for your waitlist moment, you can actually check them out on the website. Moving on, IIM Kashipur has welcomed its third batch of Executive MBA in Analytics program. The batch comprises around nearly 30% female candidates, which shows their commitment towards gender diversity. Next up, IIM Ranchi has made an interesting change in their curriculum. They are going to provide academic credits to live projects and case competitions. This move is expected to provide a practical edge to the theoretical knowledge of the students. Next up, IIM Trichy has launched a new batch of PG Business Analytics and Application course. This course is designed to equip students with the skills required to solve and to analyze and interpret complex business data. Lastly, some students have reported discrepancies in the result of CET. According to the students, the scores and percentiles do not match with the slot-wise system provided by the CET cell. That's all for the updates for this week. See you next week.